Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Want to send a WhatsApp broadcast without saving contacts? It's possible. In this video, I'll show you how to send messages to multiple people without adding them to your phone book. Let's dive in. Method 1. If you are using WhatsApp Business, you can send messages to unsaved numbers with the click to chat features. Method 1. If you can send messages to unsaved numbers with the click to chat features, here is how. Open the browsers and type this. Replace phone number with the recipient's number, including the country code. Press enter. Then tap continue to chat. Tap open. Now you can send them messages without saving their number. Repeat the process for multiple numbers. This method works best for individual messages, but for broadcast there's another way. Method 2. Using third-party apps or WhatsApp API. If you need to send a broadcast without saving contacts, you can use third-party tools or WhatsApp Business API. Some apps allow you to create a temporary broadcast list, but be cautious. Only use trusted service to avoid security risks. Things to keep in mind. WhatsApp default broadcast feature requires numbers to be saved. WhatsApp Business API is a paid service, but works for large-scale messaging. Third-party apps may have limitations, so always verify the credibility. And that's it. If you found this video helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.